Go.
Hi.
Hello. Hello.
What's up, puppies?
Yeah. Who are you guys?
I'm Eric.
I'm Keith.
Okay.
I'm Robin. And I'm Mommy.
And I'm Mom.
Mommy Rimpa.
What's up?
So, why we are here, Eric and Keith and Robin?
We're going to make a cake.
Cake?
Wait a
I
minute.
want to make
Why are we making the cake ourselves? Why aren't we ordering one? I mean, it's much simpler to order a cake, right?
Yeah, it is, but we're on lockdown, so no shops are going to sell cakes now. So why not we just make it?
Oh yeah.
So, why we are
That's
making the
really
cake?
cool.
Why we are making the cake?
And also another reason is because my birthday theme is DIY, aka do it yourself.
Do it by yourself. Yes. So, should we start making cake?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
I love cake.
Yeah. So, you
Yeah.
guys want to know the recipe, or let's start it, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
start it.
Yeah.
Let's just start it.
Okay, let's just start it. Okay, so for the cake,